Hey everyone, my name is Devin. Welcome back. I have something a little bit special here. I'm super excited to take a look at it. Want to just give everybody a quick little unboxing video, show you what's in here, and then hopefully we'll be taking it out very soon to be able to show you that as well. This is the DJI Mini 2. This is the Fly More pack, so it comes with a couple of extra batteries, the carry case, and all that kind of stuff. So I'm super excited. I'm going to start opening it up. So in the box here, we basically have just the case, and everything is in this bag. So let's open it up. Very nice looking bag. It is almost identical to the Spark. I actually have the Spark bag right here too. You can see the differences between the Spark here, DJI Mini 2 right here. So you've got just a little bit thinner on the Spark, but they are about the same size. Otherwise, very similar size. So let's take a look what we got in here. I don't know if there's anything in this. Oh, on the top pocket we got a bunch of extra propellers and a screwdriver, and I'm guessing screws for those. Very cool. Nice to have some extra propellers. Alright, so we've got the remote right here. I'm excited for the newer remote. Man, that just feels so heavy and just super high quality. Not that the Spark remote didn't feel great, but this feels really nice. Alright, and then I'm guessing this says accessories, so I'm guessing, oh, this is just everything. So we've got the batteries in here. This is the charger. Let's see what we got. Alright, there's the charger and 2 batteries. And then we've got some cables. Hook my phone up. Charging cable, USB-C. That is definitely one thing I'm super excited for over the Spark, is having a USB-C charging for everything rather than the micro USB. Even on the remote, we've got that USB-C charging. Super nice, super excited for that. Got all the documentation here. We will definitely take a look at that later. And then we have the drone. Holy cow, it is so small. Look at that thing. The fact that it folds up so tiny like that is just incredible. Let me take out my Spark here really quick, just to even compare. So the Spark is super small, right? But the Spark doesn't fold up, so you do have you know, a little bit bigger space. Spark is a little bit heavier than the Mini 2 as well, but man, just how much smaller that is how much less space it takes up. And the fact that this is going to be it's going to feel so much safer to transport, just a much more solid package, where this, I've always been worried about breaking arms off, all that kind of stuff. So I'll keep that around just to check it out. And I think that's all that is in the case. So we do have another pocket on the front here. Nothing in there. So all in all, that is the case. Alright, let's take this apart. Let's take a look here. Alright, so there's a little piece keeping everything together, a little harness. Please use the propeller holder to protect the propellers when storing. Very cool. Okay, so yeah, they just kind of float around there otherwise if you don't have that. And then we've got another just sticker keeping those the back propellers together. So I'm guessing those will just fly free. unfold it and take a look at this. So there it is, unfolded. All right, so here again, let's compare. Here is now the Spark versus the Mini 2. You can see the Mini 2 is just a little bit bigger than the Spark when they're completely unfolded, but honestly not by a whole lot. Not by a whole lot. With this thing, I'm going to be tripling, if not more, the battery life. That is probably the thing that I am looking forward to the most. Charge to activate the battery before first time use. Alright, so we'll be doing that. I'm really excited. Alright, there's the battery pack sitting right back here. I should probably look at the instructions before I do this. Alright, so there's the third battery. So we'll get that charged up. Get this thing ready to fly. Morning, everybody. We are out here. It is just after 6 o'clock, so it's still a little dark. So we are out here. We're gonna get a little practice flight with this. I did pair it, update it yesterday, so I shouldn't have to worry about that. Honestly, I really like this controller a lot better than my Spark. This thing on the top makes a lot more sense than the handles down below. Not gonna lie, I'm not a fan of these already though. This just looks like it's gonna become a problem. You actually have to screw these little things, screw in and out. I like that you can take them off to store them, but this is already just kind of a pain to get them screwed back in. So honestly, I think there's two things. So I've had a DJI Spark for a while, and like 5 years, and I think the two things that I'm looking forward to most, I mean, the controller's better, everything's a little better, the camera's better, but I think the couple things that I'm looking forward to most are, one, just the longer flight time. To be able to stay up in the air like literally 3 or 4 times as long is gonna be so nice. But then also having this the OcuSync, not the crappy Wi-Fi connection that the Spark was using to connect to this. Having a clear picture come through on my phone is gonna be so nice. Like, I'm really excited for that versus flying a little ways away and the interference is just too much for it. It's so much quieter than the Spark. So I'm going to be comparing everything basically that I know to the Spark. I did have a Mavic Pro for a little while. Not super long though. Already, I can't believe how quiet it is and how, honestly, like, incredibly smooth it feels. Just like flying and looking around, the gimbal is just so much smoother going up and down. I love it. I love it already. Oh my gosh, it just seems like so much easier to get these nice, like, cinematic shots. Like, just insanely easier. So it might actually be part the drone and part the controller. Like, the controller's just so much nicer. You know, a couple years worth of refining the controller, and that just feels so much better. Alright, we're coming back here. I was just flying it out a bit. It is crazy how small and quiet it is. Oh, there it is, okay. Yeah, so I mean, it's only 50 meters up right now. Okay, as soon as the cars completely die down, I can hear it, especially when I go up and down. But like, it is really quiet. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.